Hi everybody, I redid the video on this because it really didn't pick up the colors. This is my little aspirin bottle. Um, I made it out of a wooden tube, and you can get these somewhere, I don't know, I've had it for years. Anyway, I painted it black and put some decoupage paper on it, put some gears on the top and on the bottom, and on the little dangly thing is just a bezel with a couple of gears glued to it. And then what I did was I drilled two little tiny holes in, and one hole there, and put in one of those pin sticks. It looks like a straight pin, only it's about that long, or that long, I guess. You can get them in different sizes. You can get them in the jewelry aisle. Here's all my aspirin I had in there. I forgot I had them in there. These are baby aspirin. If I have a heart attack and I pop those right away, it might help save my life. So that's why I call it my aspirin bottle. Of course, you can put anything in it, like a note or a love letter or anything. It's quite large. You can get your finger in there. But anyway, I'll show you the relative size of it. But anyway, I had a lot of fun making it. I put the pin sticks in with the head of the pin thing glued in, and then of course turned it so that I could put the chain on. And again, you can go to your jewelry making aisle to get a lot of that stuff. Anyway, it was a lot of fun making it. I really enjoy it, and I hope it gave you some ideas. So thanks for watching, and you have a good day. Bye-bye.